Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to change the permalink of the WordPress page or post. Permalink is appear in the URL of the page. You can see this post is appear as like this. After the editing you can see your post will appear like this, similar to the title of the post. Also you will see how to edit this permalink title with our preferred one. So to that, first go to your WordPress dashboard, then click settings, then click permalinks. Here you can see the default permalink is plain. It will appear like this: website name with / with number. Or else you can put day and name like this: published date with the post title. So the preferred and the recommended one is this one, with the post name. If you put the post name as a permalink or the URL of the post or page, it will be easily got top rank in Google search in the search engine optimization. So always keep this post name as a permalink. So let's click save changes. So now go to your post, click all posts. Now you can click this view. You can see now the post title will appear as the permalink of the post. Similarly, page also you can do like that. If you want to edit this permalink for a particular post, go to edit post and here you can see the permalink. So click there. Now you can edit here. For example, if you want to remove this number as some title, you can do like this. Once it's done, click update. Now when you click view post, you can see now this permalink slug is changed. But keep in mind, when you publish this post earlier, when the viewers click the previous link, it will not come to this point. So it's the initial step you can do, but when you publish, better not to do that. So for more videos, please subscribe our channel.